I keep asking myself, no, when I have been now, is it this same Nigerian military that cannot fly plane that want to fight Biafran liberation forces? Let me read from one of the Nigerian newspapers. Nigerian Air Force helicopter crash lands in River State. Hold it there. Crash land. The M16 gunship helicopter, because they will not tell you what happened. They were heading Biafran land. Because we've told them that Iguaja is Biafra land, Port Harcourt is Biafra land. Fasegene Mbafakochiri. Famarana, now the airspace have been taken over. And there was air battle. Guinea, air battle. Of course, they forgot to use the British people that used to fly their plane. And the Arab people that used to fly their plane with the Egyptian men that used to fly their plane. Famarana, the Biafra Kuchirigo, Ewem again. Boom! They take you down. And that's why I keep asking. No, Ogobidona on that. I'm an eye camera. Undi Gabia, Messiah. I look very funny. As you can now, got very, very funny. Manozi your mind is Zikita, okay, and I go on Banakogi Sibe another. Makana tutum Birugo. Mbonye kwesi miho neme game neme. Remember that Biafran Resistance Force arrives Abuja. So, without Mazi Simon, but do you know that Biafra would have been forgotten? Achana ndị Igbo a na-echezọ ihe. Mana kịta mana ndị Igbo na-echezọkwa ihe o. Ndị Igbo sokwa na ndị a na-echezọ ife. Ka nkọwa anụ gị. Enwere mgbe Ojukwu bịa na Lagos. Bịa na trade fair. Emere invite ka ọ bịa mepee trade fair. Ojukwu agbụsa summit so na-amali ife. Ihe ndị a mechiri unu for 3 years ka m bịakwara na ha na-edozibe ha. Ngozi bana bono dozibe bono. Ojukwu aba moto nalie Nnewi. Sị gịnị ndị achọghị ịma ife ka ihe na-eme tata. Oh, no, ndị Igbo ka a na-akụtusi. N'ịka onye ọbụla si eto Nnamdi Kanu mgbe Nnamdi Kanu nọ n'ọchịchị. Esi Nnamdi Kanu. Gịnị wee mezie ewejidezie Nnamdi Kanu. Ọ fọsiri obere ka echezọ Nnamdi Kanu. Ọ bụ na ọwụ Samuel Ebe ihe binikwara si mba na enweghị ka Nnamdi Kanu ga-esi wee na ụlọ mkpọrọ. Nwa ka Nnamdi Kanu ga-esi nọdụ ebe a. Na a ga-akpọpụtara anyị Nnamdi Kanu ka udo wee chịa. Ọkwa egwu ihe mere kịta anyị na-ekwu maka Biafra anyị na-echeta Prime Minister Simon Ebe. So is it these same people that cannot fly helicopter? Is it the same people? Before, when we cannot control the air, Fajiri helicopter, na-efekasị n'elu baa na-agbawusi ụmụnna. Now, the Biafra Liberation Force, Air Force, have done taking charge of the air. I know that wherever we take charge, it is a final one. So, God work against wedo. Maka ndị na-anụ ozi ọma nke na-ezi n'anyasị ya. Enough is enough. Here's the one name. The Biafran Liberation Army has arrived Abuja. Information reaching us now that the Biafran Liberation Army, the resistance fighters, are currently in Abuja today, the 2nd of December 2023. The result will be out soon. Some already in custody and giving vital information about those masterminding the killings of Biafrans, and we are tracking many at large in Abuja. We'll bring all of you to book those who made it to Abuja today from the southeast to plan how to buy Biafrans. If you succeed in coming back, Biafrans will wait for you. Hey! Mazi Simon Eba is everywhere. Shocking. The Nigerian government are now crying and saying that they have not seen a man like this that is not only penetrating the Biafran land but equally penetrating the government territory. You don't understand. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu raised the right man. Because for a very long time we have been very cold on things that has to do with Biafra, and I keep saying it that you cannot continue to mastermind the killings of Biafrans. It is not it can't be tolerated, it will not be tolerated, and it will never be tolerated. That's just the truth. It cannot be tolerated. Because how do we explain all these things that is going on in Biafran land? Every day by day, if it is not one thing or the other, it is the other thing or the other. And I couldn't came and some of you don't know the reason why you are still living. Go to some northern place see what Opuzadima want to turn Imo State to. Just use Imo State as an example. By now, most of you might have left your village, but in the Badra also, go to the north. You see how people have evacuated from their villages. They have changed location. Terrorists have taken over that territory. But that can't happen in Biafra. Like, it is difficult for them. That is why they are crying. They want to impose governors that will come and carry out their destiny. For how many years now, Hope Uzodinma could not deliver Imo State to these Fulani people? It shows how Biafran resistant fighters and Prime Minister Simon Eba has done his job well. You can't beat a child and tell a child not to cry. It's not possible. You hold that mouth. But you must understand the logics of this thing and deliver it appropriately. For those of you who think that we are going to fold our arms and watch Biafra fall, you are more of a joker. And in no time, everything will be revealed. That's just the honest truth. So, let's continue to position every means that we need to do. Because one big energy that we preach today is bigger and better. Nothing much, nothing small. As we walk through this osmosis, let's again understand why positivity must be done. And that is why I'm telling every Biafrans that we must rise up to any kind of bully. And that is what Simon Eba said. Biafran resistant fighters are currently in Abuja today, the 2nd of 2023. The result will be out soon. So I'm already in custody and giving vital information about those masterminding the killings of Biafrans, and we are tracking many at large in Abuja. Before they said it was Atiku that is sponsoring Simon Eba. They said it's Tinubu. They said it's this president. But the same people are crying and saying that this small boy is disturbing us. So where did go kwa? I don't want so where did go kwa? Onyano, yogo wane. Makani find a mezikita. Wo yo yo. Oh yo yo.